Hey you guys, what's up? What's going on? It's Amber Higgins coming at you live from Charleston, South Carolina. As you guys are hopping on, say hi, say hello. Let me know where you guys are watching from. I love to see how far these videos go. So today I'm going to teach you guys 5 things that you are going to need to know when you are building a brand and then in return creating a following on social media. So if you guys are excited about this live, drop a yes in the comments below. So I'm just going to jump right in and just get right into it. So hey Dylan, hey Ruth, hey Judy, say hi, say hello. Hey Jose, hi Stephanie, hi Samantha, hi Todd, hi Denise, hey. I have a question for you. If you are currently posting to social media with the intent to grow a following, drop a heart in the comments below. I'm just curious. And by the way, share out the video for your chance to win my weekly prize pack giveaway. I do weekly giveaways for shares, so tap the little arrow button, share it to your page, share it to a friend, comment, share it in the comments below when you are done. I'm gonna try my best to not touch my hair during this live because I sometimes when I'm editing my lives and turning it into reels, which that's a tip for you. I'm annoying myself with how much I touch my freaking hair. So if you guys at any point see me touching my hair during the live, just say, hey, stop touching your hair, okay? So for all of you guys dropping a heart in the comments below, you're gonna wanna keep watching this and share this video out. You have no idea who on your friends list could use this and benefit from this as well. So my first tip to when you are trying to build a brand and a following on social media is you have to know what you want to be known for. I'm just curious, whenever you followed me or whenever you watch me, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Y'all drop it in the comments below. The very first thing when you think of Amber Higgins, what is that? And comment that in the comments below. I'm just curious because that is my brand. All right. So hey Melody, hey Maverick, hi Skylar, hey Stringtown down something or another. Listen, I'm live on Facebook right here and TikTok over here. If your name is not in your handle, drop your name in the comments below so that I can say hi to you. All right, so Skylar thinks of ketones, makeup, motivation. I love it. Okay, so my brand, what I want to be known for is being inspiring. I want to be known for fitness, health. I want to be known for being a badass businesswoman. Those are my 3 pillars of my brand, okay? So you guys literally nailed it. Ketones is intertwined with my business, okay? So first of all, you need to know what you want to be known for, okay? You're going to want to pick 2 or 3 things that you are going to go hard in the paint on, okay? It's very, very important that you're not scattered all over the place. Sometimes I see people posting on social media and their content is good. They're just literally talking about a million different things. And it's I go to your page and I don't really know what I'm coming to your page for. Does that make sense? If that makes sense, drop a yes in the comments below. Hey Mariah, hey Amanda, hi Judy, hey Whiskey Flower, hey Madeline. Y'all share the video for your chance to win the weekly giveaway. Here I am touching my hair again. All right, so that is your first tip. Within that first tip, you are going to want to make sure that you stay and remain consistent in those 2 to 3 areas of your brand, okay? Now, as time goes on, your brand can evolve. Just make sure you're not changing your brand every other week, okay? Because then your followers are gonna get a little bit confused, okay? All right, so the second tip that I'm going to give you guys is you have to provide value within your brand. So for instance, my brand, let's just say, is fitness. I need to not only post myself, along my fitness journey, but I need to teach you guys what I'm actually doing. So sometimes you'll see I'll teach you guys proper form techniques for how to do whatever type of exercise I want to teach you guys that day. Or I will give you guys access to my workouts for free. So I'm providing you value around my brand. Right now, I am giving you value around business. So if this is valuable at any point, drop some fire in the comments below so I know, and make sure you guys tap that share button, okay? So you have to constantly be providing value. Otherwise, you're not giving people a reason to want to follow you. If this is making sense and you're following along, drop a 1 in the comments below. Hey, Caitlin. Hey, Angie. Hey, Lisa. Say hi. You guys are hopping on. Let me know where you guys are watching from, too. I haven't seen no cities or states or countries or nothing in the comments. Y'all are playing me. All right. I love you guys. I'm just picking on you. All right. So number 2 is providing value around your brand. Okay. Number 3. Hey, Alicia. How are you, babe? Number 3, you are going to want your name this is specifically for TikTok, okay? One of my biggest pet peeves, and it's not your fault because you literally just don't even know, but one of my biggest pet peeves is people who are literally trying to grow a following, but your name is something weird Pop-Tart Star Purple. Something weird. Why is your name Hot Mix 19? I love you. I appreciate you for hopping on, but like, I have no idea who you are. So what I need you to do, if you're currently posting on social media and you're trying to build a following, it's below. Sorry, I had an alarm go off on my phone. So what I was saying is, if you are posting to social media and you're interested in learning how to build a following, how to build a brand, you're currently in the learning stages, drop a heart in the comments below. Okay, so you are going to want your name to be your name. Okay, so on TikTok, my name is The Amber Higgins, and the only reason it's The Amber Higgins is because Amber Higgins was taken. All right, so my name on TikTok is The Amber Higgins. Therefore, my name on Instagram is The Amber Higgins, and my name on Facebook is Amber Higgins. And here's why. Whenever you are building a brand, you want to be able to easily cross-market yourself, which basically just means, hey, go follow me on Instagram. It's the same handle, The Amber Higgins. I'm Amber Higgins everywhere. You can literally find me literally anywhere if you type in my name, Amber Higgins. That is the goal, okay? So if your name currently is not your name on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, if it's not the same across all three platforms, this is your assignment to go immediately change it today, okay? Very, very, very important. You want people to know you for you. You don't want people to know you for Pop-Tart Purple Dinosaur. Like, because then when they think of you, they don't even know who you actually are. They just know you by your username. Does this make sense? If this is making sense, drop some fire in the comments below. I love this. All right, cool. Number 4. Okay, are you guys ready for number 4? If you're ready for number 4, drop a 4 in the comments below. Number 4, your bio, which is just basically when people go to your page, it's like the first little thing that they see on your profile. They see your profile picture, and then they see your bio. Your bio needs to explain what your brand is very fast. People need to come to your profile and look at your bio and know exactly what you stand for. They need to know exactly what your content is around. Otherwise, they're not going to follow you because they don't know what you're doing. They have no idea. Okay? So, for example, my brand is fitness. My brand is motivational, mental health, positivity, business. So whenever you go to my profile, you can even fact check me right now. Okay? Maybe on TikTok it's a little different because I'm a little bit different on TikTok, but that's okay. I'm literally telling you what my brand is on TikTok in my profile. It says something about girly, funny shit, and then I'm a boss. Okay? Is that not accurate or what? Fitness should be in there too somewhere. But like if on Facebook, it's the same exact bio as my bio on Instagram. It says fitness, mental health, boss, positivity. What else? I don't know. Y'all go check out my bio whenever I'm done with the live, okay? If this is bringing you value, drop value in the comments below. All right, so that is number 4. Your bio needs to be basically, I made an Instagram post last night very late. I was like up doing some worky work. Which, by the way, if you guys want to learn how to make money online, drop a $sign in the comments below. I help people make money online. I'm a verified 6-figure earner, and I teach other people how to make 6 figures a year through social media using these tips right here. Did you guys watch my Instagram stories and see my ghetto behind the scenes setup? If you haven't, go watch my Instagram stories, okay? All right, anyways, I'm getting back on track. So your bio needs to be, I was making a post, this is what I was saying, back on track. I was saying your bio needs to be like your elevator pitch. You know, like whenever you're in an elevator and like somebody asks you what you do and you have to like tell them within a minute or less, like 30 seconds or less, that is what your bio is for, okay? All right, now that we know the bio, now we're gonna move on to the last and final tip. The last number 5 tip is you need to have a link in your bio. Okay, you need to have a link in your bio with your Facebook link, your Instagram link, your TikTok link, whatever product or service you're selling. You need to have all of your links linked into one link. I like to use the free app. It's not it is an app, but I like to use Milkshake. Okay, so like a milkshake, like a chocolate milkshake, which by the way, what's your favorite milkshake? I like the cookies and cream one from Chick-fil-A, but that's besides the fact. Okay, let's get right back on track. So use a milkshake to combine all of your links into one. You need to be able to cross-market yourself this way, okay? So maybe, my name is the same across all platforms. Some people will literally just go and search my name on Instagram, The Amber Higgins. Some people will go from TikTok and go search me on Facebook, Amber Higgins, and they will find me that way, okay? Or people, I will say, go to the link that's in my profile. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on TikTok. You can also, hey, listen to this, okay? The very first link in my profile, if you want to learn how to make money, tap that first link. click online income, watch the video about what I do, text me at the end. Do you see what I just did there? So now I'm eliminating the confusion, like, hey, message me this. Hey, literally, I just gave you a clear directive. I need you to go to the link in my profile, tap the first link, click online income, watch the video if you want to learn how to make money, text me at the end. There's a huge kit sale. Like, today's a great day to start a business, okay? Hey, Melody. Hey, Brianna. Hey, Colleen. Which, by the way, if you haven't already shared the video, make sure you guys tap the arrow button, comment, share it in the comments below whenever you're done for access to my weekly prize pack giveaway. All right, so milkshake is very, very important. You want to be able to have everything in one link, okay, that you can drive everyone to, okay? So one last tip that I'm going to give you guys before I hop off of here, because I literally am late to a training. I need to get on my training literally right now. But a really important tip for you guys is whenever you are posting or whenever you are going live, you need, as a content creator, you need to have a schedule. You need to know what you're doing and when you're doing it, because otherwise you're gonna get lost in the sauce. Things are gonna get, hectic and crazy. Life is gonna happen. You're gonna get, off track. But if you have a schedule and you have a set day, like, okay, every Tuesday at 7 p.m., I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna talk about this topic. Every Monday, this is the type of post I'm gonna create. Every Friday, this is what I'm doing every Friday, okay? So if you set yourself a schedule, you're gonna be more likely to stick to it, okay? So you're gonna set yourself up for success. So anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Again, if you wanna learn how to make money from your phone on social media, on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever app you're currently on, I can teach you how to make money and stop just scrolling for fun. Okay, social media is the new way to make 6 figures a year online. If you're not utilizing it to make money, like, you're missing out. And I would love to be able to teach you. So drop a $sign in the comments below. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Share the video. It helps me out a ton. It also will help you out a ton too. So I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.